Hello folks. When someone say how are you, do you always say I am fine? It is right. It is completely normal. But there are many natural ways to say how are you. Today I am going to share 10 better ways to answer how are you. The first one is I am doing well. This is a simple and natural way to say that I am doing well. Take an example. I am doing well. How about you? The second one is I am doing great. Use this when you are feeling very good. For example, I am doing great today. Third one, I am pretty good. This means you are feeling good. For example, I am pretty good. Thank you. Fourth one, I am doing okay. Use this when you are feeling okay but not exactly feeling okay. For example, I am doing okay. Fifth one is I am good. Thanks. This is a very common and friendly way to say I am fine. For example, when someone asks you how are you, in that situation say I am good. Thank you. Sixth one is I am feeling great today. Use this when you are feeling very good and energetic. When someone say how are you, just tell them I am feeling great today. Seventh one is I am doing really well. This is another natural way to say that things are going very well in life. For example, when someone say how are you, try to say I am doing really well. Eighth one is can't complain. This is an informal way to say that everything is okay. For example, when someone say how are you, just try to say can't complain. How about you? Ninth one is I have been better. Use this when you are not feeling very good in life or if you are facing any struggles, problems with your life, and if you want to express that with your friends or your family members. In that situation you can tell them like I have been better when someone asks you how are you. 10th one is I am hanging in there. Use this when your position situation is difficult but you are managing. For example, when someone say how are you, if your position is difficult, just try to express that with your friends like I am hanging in there. So these are 10 better ways to answer how are you. You don't always have to say I am fine. Instead, try these different expressions in your daily conversation. Now, choose one expression from this video and try to use it from today. Which one will you like? Let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching my video, and I will be back with another video. Until bye.